All right, how's everybody doing out there today in Mathemagic Land? That's right, Mr. Muscarella going to come at you with another example of U-substitution where we have that pesky little extra x. That's right, the extra x. We've got so many x's, we actually even have an extra one. So we're going to work with how to solve that kind of problem. Check it out. So when you take a look at an integral, you want to break it up into its pieces. So we've got the product, and this is where you know you're going to have U-substitution. So you're going to have a product of two things. We've got an x plus 4 to the 12th power. And the derivative is, of course, with respect to x. So we're going to integrate this problem. And in order to do that, we were going to take a look at, of those two pieces, we're going to look at the one that's a little more complicated, which is the x plus 4. That is going to be your u. So who you be? You be x plus 4. And then what we're going to do after that is take the derivative with respect to x. So du is going to be just plain old dx. So both of those pieces are covered by u and then du. All right, so I've got all of that piece. But I still have this little bugger right there, this little extra x, this pesky little thing right there. So I got to figure out what to do with that. And what do we do with that? Why, we're going to take the x plus 4 for u, and we're going to set that equal to x. So if we move that 4 over, x would be u minus 4. So u minus 4 would go in there for that extra x. Now remember, this u piece was to the 12th power, so we're going to have u to the 12th power, and then u minus 4. So that way I've got all of the pieces in there covered, and I'm good to go. Where do we go from here? I'm glad you asked. Since we have the product of two things now where we can easily distribute this u to the 12th into both of those terms, that's all you're going to do. So we're going to end up with the integral of u to the 13th power minus 4u to the 12th power, and of course don't forget the du. Now, U-substitution, we ended up with u to being x plus 4, so I'm going to leave a little space for that. And when I integrate something to the 13th power, I'm going to go to the 14th power, and then the rule is you add 1 to the exponent, so that becomes a 14, and then you divide by 1, or you divide by 14, or multiply by the reciprocal. And who you be? You be x plus 4. So x plus 4 is going to get back substituted there. Then we've got a minus 4, and then when I have whatever to the 12th power, I'm going to add 1. That's going to become 13, and who you be? You be x plus 4. That's going to go in there, and the reciprocal of 13 is 1 over 13. Now I'm just going to clean this up a little bit, and of course don't forget that plus c. We'll have 1 over 14, and then x plus 4 to the 14th power, minus 4 over 13 to the, and then I'm going to have another x plus 4 to the 13th power, and then plus c. So that's it. Quick and down dirty, easy example for you guys to follow along there. So whoever you be, just be you. Always. Don't be somebody else. They're already taken. All right, that's it for watching this one. Thank you. I appreciate it. And you guys have a great day. Peace out.